How to add photos to a PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Acrobat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Acrobat homepage. Here, you can view your recent and starred files. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Files. Here, tap on iPhone Files. Choose the file you want from here. You can now view this PDF file over here. Now, go to the bottom panel and swipe left. Tap on Edit PDF as shown. After that, tap on Add Image below to add a photo to the PDF from your camera roll. As you can see, you cannot complete this action as you need to subscribe to edit text and images over here. Subscribing to Acrobat Pro unlocks premium features like editing text and images, combining files, and organizing pages within PDFs. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to a PDF on iPhone.